Hello friends, this lecture is going to be very important for you because in this lecture we will learn how to tell time, how to know time or how to watch a watch. Friends, I have a clock in my hands. Very first thing, we should learn what we call these needle-like structures that are used to tell times in a clock. This is a clock, friends, or you can say a wall clock. It's also called a wall clock. These things which are used to show times are called hands in English. In Hindi we call these things सुई, घड़ी की सुइयां. So in English we call them hands or hand. Friends, you can see here there are three kinds of hands in this clock. Friends, we call this hand second hand because it tells seconds. Clear? And another hand, which is the longest hand in this clock, this one, this hand is called minute hand because it tells minute. And friends, the hand that is about to 6, this hand is called, friend, hour hand. So you can say the three hands which are used to tell times in a clock are known as second hand, minute hand, and friends, hour hand. Because as the name indicates, this hand tells us second, this minute, and this one hour. Clear, friends? Friends, you can see this clock, and will you like to tell me what's the time by this clock? Friends, here you can say 5 o'clock. Clear? Means o'clock. 5 o'clock. Now the clock indicates 5, means 5 o'clock now. Friends, very first thing, o'clock. Here the word o'clock is used for of the clock, means 5 of the clock. That's the full form of 5 o'clock. 5 of the clock. Clear? Means simply we can say when it is a complete hour, means 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. When we say these things, when a clock indicates a complete hour. Friends, what's the time now? It's in Hindi, you can say 5:10. Clear? And what will we say 5:10 in English? Friends, have a look here. 5:10. We we can see here we have the time 5:10. We have three methods to show this time, to represent this time. Very first method, friends, 5:10. 5:10 means 5 minutes after 10. Clear, friends? Second method, 10 after 5. 10 after 5 indicates that 10 minutes have gone after 5 o'clock. Another method to represent this time, friends, 10 past 5. These are the three methods to represent this time. It depends on your choice, whatsoever you use here. Friends, again have a look here. What's the time now? It's 15 minutes after 5. Clear? So, if you want to say in Hindi, we say it 5:15 or सवा 5 बजे 5:15. In English, we also have here three ways to represent this time. Very first way, you can say 5:15. It's 5:15. Clear, friends? Second thing, you can see that a whole hour is divided. If you have a whole hour, you can divide it into two parts. Clear? If you divide it two parts, you say half past. And if you divide it into four parts, then this part, this segment is called quarter. What, friends? Quarter. So if you have this time, then you can say quarter past 5. Or second method, another method, quarter after 5. You can also say after in place of past. Means quarter after 5. Now you can say if you have 5:15 in your watch or clock, then you will tell it's 5:15, it's quarter past 5, or it's quarter after 5. That's clear. Friends, what's the time now? You can say it's 5:20. Means in Hindi, you will say 5:20. Quite simple. And when we use English, we want to tell this time in English. How can we use this? Very first method to say it's 20 after 5. 20 after 5. It means 20 minutes have gone after 5 o'clock. Clear, friends? Yes. Or you can say 5:20 here. Clear? Or you can say 20 past 5. You can use these three ways to tell this time. 5:20 means 5:20. You can say 20 after 5, 5:20, or 20 past 5. Clear, friends? Friends, suppose you have this time now. What will you say? It's 5:30. In Hindi, you will say 5:30 or 5:30. In English, how can we tell this time? 5:30. Friends, you can say it's 5:30. Very first way to tell 5:30. It's 5:30, or you can say it's half past 5. And another way to say 30 past 5. Or 30 after 5. Here you have four ways to represent your idea. Here you can say 5:30 means 5:30, half past 5 means 5:30, and 30 past 5 means 5:30. Clear, friends? 30 past, or you can say also 30 after 5. Friends, again have a look this clock here. What's the time now? It's 5:40. Clear, friends? 5:40. So this time can be represent it's 5:40, or it's 40 past 5, or it's 20 to 6, because it's 20 minutes before 6, means 5:40, it's 40 past 5, or it's 20 to 6. That's clear, friends? 20 to 6. Here the phrase 20 to 6 represents that 20 minutes before 6 o'clock. Clear, friends? Suppose it's 5:50, then it will be 10 to 6, means it's 10 minutes before 6 o'clock. That's clear, friends? Yes, friends. What's the time now? It's 5:45. Clear? In Hindi, you will say 5:45 और 5:45. Clear, friends? And in English, what phrases we will use? The time is 5:45. Clear, friends? So you can say 5. It's 5:45. 5:45 means 45 minutes after 5 o'clock. And second method to say, friends, it's quarter to 6. Quarter to 6. Quarter to 6 means it's a quarter before 6 o'clock. Or quarter represents 15 minutes, as I showed you in a diagram. It's a quarter, and quarter represents 15 minutes, and half represents 30 minutes. Clear, friends? So if you want to tell this time, you will say quarter past, and now you say half past, and now this time lapse, this time phrase is called quarter to, and the complete roundabout of a clock is called o'clock. Clear, friends? Means of the. Friends, again have a look here. What's the time now? It's 5:55, or you can say 5:55 और 6 बजने में 5 मिनट कम. Clear, friends? So what will we tell this time? It's 5:55. Very first way to represent. And another way, you see here, friends, it's 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. So you can say it's 5 to 6. Clear, friends? Here we should remember very first thing, means you have a formula to represent time. Very first we say minute, and afterwards we say hour. And here we use two words, means past and to. Minute, past hour, and minute to hour. The whole time structure, the whole time of a clock is depend on this formula. Means minute, you will have to say minute first, and then you will say hour. And friends, past represents that the minutes you are using here have passed, have gone. And minute 2 represents that the minutes you are saying here, you are representing here are the minutes before o'clock. Friends, sometimes we find in our books it's 4 a.m. and it's 4 p.m. Can you tell me what's the full form of this AM and PM, or when we use this AM and PM? Friends, AM means anti meridian and PM means post meridian. Friends, the word meridian represents midday. Meridian, it's a Latin word. It represents midday, time of midday. Means the time, it's friends, your midday means it's 12 o'clock at noon. The time before this 12 o'clock noon is called AM, and time after this 12 o'clock at noon is called PM. And this AM starts from 12 o'clock at midnight. Clear, friends? I hope you will understand. Friends, you can simply say that the time after 12 o'clock at midnight to 12 o'clock at noon is represented AM, and the time after 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock at midnight is called PM. That's clear? Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. In the next lecture, we will discuss how we should ask time and what's the possible answer from the speaker. Stay tuned, stay continued, stay enjoyed, and stay learned English. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then I request you to subscribe and share the channel. And now, see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching this video.